Good morning. Happy Friday. You will see that for assignment, you have two assignments posted. The first assignment is called the Weather Quiz 1. I would like you to fill out this form, and this is more of a check-in rather than a quiz. It will not be graded for correctness, rather for effort and completion. I would like you to please do your best to answer all of the questions listed under this quiz. Please do not use your notes or any other resources. This is going to serve as a tool to help me know what you have learned so far and what topics that we need to spend some more time covering. So again, please complete this on your own. Please do your best to really show what you know right now. When you're finished with all of the questions, make sure that you hit the submit button at the bottom of the screen. After you've submitted your quiz, I want you to go back to Google Classroom and create a Flipgrid video. So the directions are written in Google Classroom as well, but you're going to click on the link to go to Flipgrid. It should say Science Grade 6, and make sure that you press this Login with Google button. This is very similar to the first video we created for the first assignment for science. Then you're going to click your email, should be your PSD email account. Once you're logged in, you will see the assignment that is listed. Okay. I would like you to follow the directions that are listed and answer the questions. You will be answering questions regarding the quiz that you just took. Okay, so I want you to answer the questions. What do you feel good about? What topics did you struggle with? What topics did you feel really strongly about that you felt like you know this really well? So please answer the prompts that are listed, record your video, and then go back and comment on at least 2 of your peers' videos. I want you to try and find someone who understands a concept that you are struggling with, and then also try and find someone that you can help. So who is struggling on a topic that you feel you understand really well? So please leave comments for at least 2 of your peers, and feel free to leave comments for more than 2, but please comment on at least 2 of your peers' posts as well. Thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.